Knowledge Beans. Training Management and Consulting Private Limited. Transforming knowledge for today and tomorrow.
Knowledge Beans presents interactive voice-backed online banking courses. Innovative course design. The courses are designed on an interactive platform using Web 2.0 technologies and cutting-edge authoring tools. Courses on key topics. The courses cover key topics which are of day-to-day importance to bankers, JAIIB and CAIIB aspirants, corporate finance functionaries, and students of management and accounting. Courses presently available online. Bookkeeping and accounting methods and standards. Financial statements, what do they tell us about? Part 1. Financial statements, what do they tell us about? Part 2. What is working capital and why is it a business need? Understanding operating cycle of a business. Relationship management, the art and science of it. Term loans, funding capital expenditure. Introduction to costing and cost terminology. Time value of money. Please visit lms.knowledgebeans.com for subscription and look for news about launch of new courses. Course description. It briefly outlines the purpose of the course and for whom the course is meant. Please have a look at the course description of one of our courses. Learning objectives. The courses highlight the key learning objectives, giving the learner a broad idea about the topics dealt in the course. Please have a look at the learning objectives of one of our courses. Scenario analysis. For easier understanding, the courses present a scenario analysis that explains the concepts through a question and answer mode. Please have a look at a sample taken from one of our courses. Checkpoint quiz. All major courses contain a checkpoint quiz at the beginning, which is expected to serve as a primer to the course that helps to initiate the learner into the program. Please have a look at a sample taken from one of our courses. Quality content through interactive play. There is never a dull moment for the learner. The courses present high-quality interactive content that needs to be navigated only by the active participation of the learner. Please experience a sample taken out for you from one of our courses. Use of interesting techniques. The advanced authoring tools allow us to create interesting formats for delivering the course content so as to sustain the interest of the viewer. Here, please experience the zoom and pan technique used in one of our courses. Screen capturing videos. For easy understanding of few important concepts that require hand-holding, the courses make use of screen capturing videos. They take the learner through a step-by-step process, a unique method in effective learning. Enjoy this experience by having a look at this sample from one of our courses. FV and PV using Excel, a short video. Let us reinforce our understanding of future value and present value with the help of a simple example, and we will use Excel for that. Like with any other problems in the time value of money, we start with a timeline here. We have 6 time periods indicated on the timeline, and we have an initial payment of 1000 rupees, and the rate of interest on that is 10% per time period. So, in the first part of this problem, we will calculate the future value of this 1000 rupees at the end of various time periods. And in the second part, we will find out the present value of the sum that is due at the end of 6th time period. Basically, in part 1, we will follow the process of compounding, while in part 2, we will follow the process of discounting to get back the present value. We have the following formulae which we are going to use in this particular calculation. Let us start with the future value at the end of time period 1. So the formula that we are going to use is payment times 1 plus I raised to the power n. The payment is 1000 rupees multiplied by 1 plus I raised to the power n. For that we use the function called power. It takes 2 arguments, a number that is 1 plus I being the rate of interest, and the power to which it is being raised here is 1. Now by dragging this along this particular row, we will be able to fill up the future values. However, before doing that, we will make certain adjustments to the formula because there are certain parameters which need to be held constant here. The first one is the payment. I am pressing F4, which is a shortcut key for holding this particular number constant. Similarly, the rate of interest should be held constant. These are the two things that should not change. Now we can drag the formula across the row. So now we get the future values of this particular sum of 1000 rupees at the end of various time periods. Specifically, we are interested in the value at the end of 6th time period. Interactive quiz. Each course on completion takes the learner through an interactive quiz that helps to check out the level of learning by the viewer. It gives them an opportunity to retry the quiz besides facilitating a review of the quiz answers. The learner on completion of the quiz can print and/or save the results. Courses coming soon. We shall soon be launching the following courses which are of great importance to working bankers. Pre-sanctioned credit process part 1. Pre-sanctioned credit process part 2. Post-sanctioned credit process part 1. Post-sanctioned credit process part 2. Assessment of working capital requirements part 1. Assessment of working capital requirements part 2. Supervision, follow-up and monitoring. Understanding credit rating, the art and science of it. Micro, small and medium enterprises, MSME, marketing for business. Understanding priority sector lending. How to prepare CMA spreadsheet. Please do write to us at info@knowledgebeans.com should you require any of these courses on priority. The release would be subject to the ranking of priority as indicated by your responses. Courses for JAIIB and CAIIB aspirants. To take care of your specialized requirement, we are in the process of designing knowledge capsules that make the key topics crystal clear and creation of question bank that helps you to prepare for the examinations with ease and confidence. We propose to launch knowledge capsules on topics from the following courses: Principles and Practices of Banking PPB, Accounting and Finance for Bankers, Legal and Regulatory Aspects of Banking, Advanced Bank Management, Bank Financial Management, Human Resources Management, Agricultural and Rural Banking, Information Technology in Banking, International Banking, Risk Management, Corporate and Commercial Banking, Retail Banking, Central Banking, Cooperative Banking, Treasury Management, Financial Advising and Distribution. Please do write to us at info@knowledgebeans.com for booking of your course in advance.